How's it going on, guy? What's up, guys? What should I speak? Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome to my another video, and in this video, we are going to learn how to remove a background of an image from page.net. So let's get started. So first of all, either Apple or Intelligence, and now, okay, let's be serious. Okay, so now we have to. I already found an image, so we can go with that image. Here's the image that I found. Let's save it anywhere. Oops. This is a web file. Let's just go with this one. No, it's so hard to erase the background from this one. Yeah, we can go with this one. Save it D and choose your location. Save. So now let's open paint.net. It would take time to open in my 4 GB RAM PC, so we'll do it later. And here are we. So first of all, place an image. To place an image, you have to click on layer, import from file. I swear I made these images by using Illustrator. I'll also do a tutorial for Illustrator here. And here are we with the image, and we need to change the background. So to change the background, click on finish, click on edit, click on deselect, select the magic wand, and now let's do magic. Click on delete. Or the old background is deleted and some things are still not deleted. We can go where? Oops. This is a part of the image. Oh no. Yeah, we can go with this one too. No. Yeah. We can't delete some of them, so you have to select rectangle to make a rectangle here. Color it to white, and from here you can go with purple. Oh, wait, I didn't draw a rectangle, select line curve. Okay, we can go with the next eclipse and place it here, color into white, I don't know why isn't it coloring here. Yeah, now maybe. What? There's some kind of like bug here. Yeah. No, it's not recolored. Okay guys, just leave this thing. As you guys can see, we have deleted it. Sorry guys, I wasn't in understanding. And now this is our flower. We need to add another background to it. To add a background, I mean to change the background, you need to search for a blank ground. We can go with grass. And we're gonna go with this. No, wait. Is this fake background? Yeah, we will delete it. Either it's fake or real. Though you shouldn't care about the watermark. That's nothing. We can delete it using paint.net or just crop it. Okay, just dump. Let's just open our image. Layers. Import from file. I think so. I saved it on temporary files and oops. Yes. Here are we. As I guessed, the background is this background, but we can go with it because we have the magic wand, which is a type of magic stick, and as you guys can see, let's do magic. Oh, click on delete. Sorry guys, I didn't told it before. Just click on delete. I just edited with Premiere Pro. No, wait. We need the background to be here, and we here. Okay, no need to remove. For this thing, we can crop the image. There's no crop tool here. Okay, we can crop it with somewhere else, but for now, how do we select this thing? Only yeah. And here we go. This background isn't nice. We can go with another. And just type your background nature. So we can go with this one, the symbolic one. I mean super. Just save it anywhere. You can save it to your desktop, downloads, or wherever. I'd go with download, then just open it and click on layers. Oh, I didn't deleted this layer, the graph. Let's delete that one. Okay, for layers, import from file, click on download, select your layer, and here we go. So as you guys can see, this is so big, this is upward, but all you guys have to do is click on this, make it upward, again make it upward, and we are done with this one. And let's move it here, and as you guys can see, we have successfully changed the background. Have a look at the before and after. Before it was like this one. Before it was this one, and now it is like this. Okay guys, thank you for I really